Hey, ProbStats kids, this is Dr. Callahan with week 16 Thursday. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. So here are your following 3 questions for your warm-up for week 16 Thursday. Pause the video and answer them. Keep in mind that your warm-up block is going to be due on in week 18, so another week and a half, and it's going to be worth 300 points, and I'm going to have you guys go ahead and submit that with specific instructions later to come, so just keep that in mind. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our MS team. So I'm going to go ahead and create the assignment for you guys today. So on MS Team, this is for week 16 Wednesday, which is actually for today's assignment. Make sure you guys click on view assignment, make sure you guys watch the video, and then of course the guided notes is right here. However, if you need to go ahead and have the guided notes in person, you can come up to B1 and I have them in person as well, or you can just show me on a separate piece of paper. So this is going to be your second to last quiz right here, which is given to you right there at this point. All right, so then I'm going to go ahead and create the assignment for today, which is week 16, Thursday. So this is going to be your today's stuff. You do have a last quiz, mini quiz, only 4 questions. But in addition to that, you have your end of the semester project 1 and 2, which I'm going to talk about today. So there is a bit of things that you need to go ahead and pay attention for. Your instructions for today is as follows. So view the assignment, make sure you guys watch the video, take a photo of your work, upload it. Today's video is gonna be uploaded by 8:30. As always, I have my daily Zoom tutoring sessions if you need some assistance. My passcode is the same as any other day. And then of course, if you need to grab a copy of your guided notes for the remaining of this semester, but also for next semester, I do have it outside of my door in B1 as follows. As always, it's worth 10 points. And I want to make sure I add this to my other ProbStats class, and it's due Thursday by 11:59 p.m. So just keep that in mind. So I'm going to go ahead and assign this. Perfect. And it should pop up there, hopefully. Okay, so here it is. So I'll have the video uploaded here once I'm done, obviously video recording this, but then if you want a copy of today's notes, I'm going to upload it here so that way you have access to that. Today is 16 Thursday, and there are 2 things you want to go ahead and take a look at. The first one is here. The second one's right there. I'm going to go ahead and upload both of them. The first one is going to be on your last quiz. And the second one is going to talk about the project for the end of the school year, or end of the semester, I should say. Okay, so there is your quiz right here, but for some reason it is not allowing me to upload the other one, which is kind of weird. So let's try one more time. That's just weird. Why is it not doing that? That's okay. Let's go ahead and try another way. When one way fails, I always have a second way of doing this. Why is it doing that? That's just weird. It says something like the character is not working, and I'm like, what are you talking about? So I'm going to try to maybe save as, change this a little bit, and I will just put project 1, project 2, and let's try it this way. Maybe it didn't like the fact that I had a pound sign on there, which is really lame because it doesn't matter. So let's try one more time. Yay, okay, success, woohoo. All right, so you have 2 documents right here. The first one is to be on your quiz that you can have access to. The second one is going to be your project, okay? So let's take a look at the quiz for the first one. So if you click on the first link, it's going to take you to the warm-up log that we just talked about. There are 15 slides and you can scroll down to the bottom. And this right here is going to be your quiz. I know you're like, how am I supposed to do this with all your writings on there, Callahan? You can actually scroll down to the bottom right here to page 10, and it's a brand new one. So with this one, you only have 4 questions, 3 multiple choice, 1 short answer. This is going to be your last quiz for the semester. Then when you're done with that, it says complete your quiz, read the 2 project and pick one or both. Pick your group mates and notate on the Google Doc. You don't have to do that because this is going to be virtually, you're just going to be doing this project on your own. Here are some examples of other students' project on Prezi, PowerPoint, and also on YouTube. Okay, so then if you want to take a look at some other people's presentations, go ahead and just click on the link for Prezi, for example. If you click on the first link, it is not taking you there for some reason, which I don't know why it's not doing that because it should be taking over to that. That's okay. I'm going to go ahead and see. Maybe if you type this in, it will be a little bit easier. I actually have 2 right here that's on YouTube from former students and then some on Prezi. And that's basically it. And lastly, review your 110 concept of probability and statistics right here, and it should take you to that. So once again, this is your quiz. This is your mindset. And now let's talk about the project itself. So the second link right here is for the project. And so this is your first project. The first one is to go ahead and design your own game. You can read this part right here. This is the write-up instruction for it and the rubric. The second one is going to be for a statistical survey report on a topic of your choice. You're going to have to go ahead and find the mean, median, mode, box and whisker for whatever topic of your choice that you will want. An example of this is here. It is an example table for the relation to me and the ages of the people right there. So this is one for ages. And if you take a look at the work from a previous student, this is how it's done. Although I drew it very poorly of a box and whisker plot, but that's okay. I'm sure yours will be much better than mine. Then after that, follow a few questions. And this is project 2. Now remember, you could pick project 1 or project 2, but if you would like some extra credit, you should do both project, and I'll make sure that you get the extra credit for that, okay? So this is going to be due at the end of week 17. So today is week 16, Thursday. Between now and then, the next few days, our goal is to go ahead and work on this project. It is worth quite a bit of points, so make sure you guys do a good job of that, and you will be submitting this to me at the end of week 17 before your final starts. So just keep that in mind. Now, I'm going to go ahead and go back, and hopefully I can go to those links so I can share it with you guys on some of the examples of the projects. So here we go. Let's try this one and let's see if it works. Okay, I don't need that one. Shoot. End it. No. Okay, let's try that one more time. Okay, let's try this one more time. This is not working to my liking. So let's go back to here. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here's an example of probability statistic project, and you can just go ahead and click on this. This student did it on Prezi, so you can go ahead and take a look at that. Yours could be something similar to this. They did a stem and leaf plot with a frequency table. They actually did this on a PowerPoint, but then converted to a Prezi. If you want to just keep it on a PowerPoint, that's completely fine, but that's her project right there. So with that said, I don't know if you guys saw that, but anyways, I would highly recommend that you click on the link or type a link in and then take a look at some of the examples here and kind of get yourself acquainted with what you should be doing and what type of project is a right fit for you. Okay, let's try another one then. Okay, this one's not letting me share for some reason. Let's try one more time. Okay, so here we go. This is another one that you can do. It is a game on probability, and you can go ahead and watch this on how you can go about making your own game on probability for this class. But anyways, it's about 8 minutes, and you have a link to it. So I'm not going to play the entire thing. But yeah, play around with these ideas and see what you would like to do. You can also do it just on a PowerPoint if it's easier for you. So if you want to do this on a PowerPoint, I have the link right here for it where it says PowerPoint. Go ahead and type that link in. And this is something that you can do. Purpose, objective, significance of what you're going to do with this project. It's 27 slides. How they collected the data, how the data is organized. It's on average number of sleep. So anyways, so just a few things for you guys to think about and how you want to go about organizing this. So as a quick little reminder, so just in summary of what you have to do today, make sure you guys answer the last quiz right here, 4 questions, list of to-dos, here are the links that you need. In addition to that, make sure you guys take a look at your project if you're interested in doing project number 1 or project number 2 or both for extra credit. All right, you guys, as always, stay safe and healthy. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys sign in to take your attendance. Take care. Bye.